to English speaking class. Guys, girls, shout out my students. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, viewers and students. Today we are going to view the slangs used in speaking. The slangs used in speaking. Guys, shout out my students. आज हम slangs का इस्तेमाल जो है वो स्पोकन लैंग्वेज में देखते हैं और इन जुमलों को बगौर पढ़ते हैं और भरपूर तरीके से इन्हें बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Slangs are generally and commonly spoken in different societies where English is a national language. In those societies where English is a national language, slangs are commonly used between the folks and people, and they make a good interaction by using these slangs. These slangs words are a part and parcel of daily life. These slangs words and phrases are part and parcel of daily life. Let's see a few of these slangs used in speaking. Let's look behind on this whiteboard. Here you are. First phrase, first statement. You see that I got it wrong by. 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 मैंने इसे गलत समझा प्यारे. मैंने इसे गलत समझा प्यारे. I got it wrong. मैंने इसे गलत समझा. मैं इसे सही समझ ना सका. बेब कहते हैं डेयर प्यारे. बैग 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 डेयर प्यारे. I got it wrong by. I got it wrong by. प्यारे मैंने इसे गलत समझा. I got it wrong by. I got it wrong by. प्यारे मैंने इसे गलत समझा. Babe means dear one. She, male or female, anybody which is dear to you, which is close to you. I got it wrong, babe. 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 प्यारे मैंने इसे गलत समझा. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज she is gonna bubble. 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 वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She is gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She is gonna bubble. She is gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She is gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She is gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She is gonna cry. She is gonna cry. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She is gonna cry. Bubble means cry. Bubble is a slang word. She is gonna bubble. He is gonna bubble. Rex is gonna bubble. Tom's gonna bubble. She's gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She's gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She's gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. My bad. She's gonna bubble. My bad. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. Bubble means to cry, and my bad means my mistake, मेरी गलती. She is gonna bubble. She is gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. What's dozy between the lines? 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 इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's dozy between the lines? Dozy is a slang word that means good. Dozy means good, अच्छा. What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's dozy? What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? Dozy means good. What's good between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's dozy between the lines? Her dress is dozy. Her dress is very dozy. उसका लिबास बहुत अच्छा है. Her manners are very dozy. Our manners are very dozy. उसके manners आदाब बहुत अच्छे हैं. Our manners are very dozy. उसके आदाब बहुत अच्छे हैं. Dozy is a slang word that means good. That means good. What's dozy between the lines? What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. Next one is What's up next by? 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 प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? What's up next by? What's up next by? प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? What's up next? आगे क्या होने वाला है? By. By means प्यारे, प्यारे. By means dear, dear, प्यारे. By means dear. By is a slang word that means dear, प्यारे. What's up next? What's up next by? What's up next by? प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? What's up next by? प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? कोई भी आगे चीज बोलना होने वाली हो तो उस हवाले से ये क्वेश्चन क्वेरी की जाती है. What's up next by? प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज Hey Ben, how's it's going? Hey Ben, how 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 it's going? हाँ Ben, कैसे चल रहा है? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben, मामलात कैसे चल रहे हैं? Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben, मामलात कैसे चल रहे हैं? Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben, मामलात कैसे चल रहे हैं? This phrase is also commonly spoken in daily life. दूसरों से ये पूछना हो, दोस्तों से या फ्रेंड से या उन लोगों से जहाँ जिनके साथ आपका सोशल इंटरेक्शन रहता है लोकली, और उनसे पूछना हो कि मामलात कैसे चल रहे हैं. Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben, कैसे चल रहा है? हाँ Ben, मामलात कैसे चल रहे हैं? Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben, मामलात कैसे चल रहे हैं? हाँ Ben, कैसे चल रहा है? आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज Hina is very cool blonde. 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 Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीला है. यहाँ पे cool जो है, cool is a slang word and it means nafis. It means nafis. Cool means nafis, dedicated. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीला है. Blondie mean cute girl. Cute girl. Blondie means cute girl. And cool means dedicated. Dedicated, very dedicated, very sensible and dedicated. Hina is very cool and blondie. Hina is very cool and blondie. Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीज़ा है. Hina is very cool and blondie. Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीज़ा है. यहाँ पे cool and blondie are both slangs. Cool means very sensible and dedicated. Cool means very sensible and dedicated, and blondie means cute lady, very cute lady. Blondie means very cute lady. Hina is very cool and blondie. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीज़ा है. Nice viewers, very interesting phrases. Let's repeat them again. आइए इन्हें एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. First one is I got it wrong by. I got it wrong by. I got it wrong by. प्यारे मैंने इसे गलत समझा. I got it wrong by. मैंने इसे गलत समझा प्यारे. I got it wrong by. प्यारे मैंने इसे गलत समझा. By is a slang word that means dear one. I got it wrong by. I got it wrong by. मैंने इसे गलत समझा. I got it wrong by. प्यारे मैंने इसे गलत समझा. And next is she's gonna bubble. She's gonna bubble. She's gonna bubble. She's gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She's gonna bubble. She's gonna bubble. वो चिल्लाने वाली है. She's gonna cry. She's gonna cry. Bubble is a slang word and its synonym is cry. And next is what's dozy between the lines? What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's dozy between the lines? ये क्वेरी है, क्वेश्चन है, आमतौर पे ये पूछा जाता है. What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's good? What's good in it? What's good in it? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? What's good in it? What's good in it? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? और स्लैंग इसमें डोजी जो है, डोजी is a slang word. Dozy is a slang word. It means good. Dozy means good. Dozy means good. What's dozy between the lines? What's dozy between the lines? इसमें अच्छा क्या है? Next one is what's up next by? What's up next by? What's up next by? प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? What's up next by? What's up next by? प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? By is a slang word. By means there, there, there. प्यारे, there, there. What's up next there? What's up next there? What's up next there? What's up next by? प्यारे आगे क्या होने वाला है? Next is hey Ben, how's it going? Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben कैसे चल रहा है? Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben कैसे चल रहा है? ये भी एक क्वेरी है, क्वेश्चन है. डेली रूटीन लाइफ में ये जुमला आमतौर पे बोला जाता है. Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? Hey Ben, how it's going? हाँ Ben कैसे चल रहा है? And last one is Hina is very cool blondie. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीज़ा है. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina is very dedicated. Dedicated cute girl. Hina is very dedicated cute girl. Hina is very sensible cute girl. Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीज़ा है. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina is very cool blondie. Cool means dedicated, sensible and dedicated. And blondie means cute lady. Cute lady. Blondie means cute lady. Cool means very sensible and dedicated. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina is very cool blondie. Hina बहुत ही नफीस दोशीज़ा है. You guys make a good practice with these sentences in which we have seen the use of slangs. I'll see you next. Goodbye.